How to create forms in Airtable. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create forms in Airtable. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you've logged in, go ahead and select the base that you would like to create a form in. So after selecting the base, you got to the base page where you would see details, more details about the base. So the next step on creating a form is to move to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you can see different views, right? Scroll down until you can see form. All right. And then once you see this, click on it, click on create a form view, click on create new view, and just like that, the form view will be created. Now that has been created, next step is to add the fields that you'd like to add here, and then add the logo, add the cover image, and then after that, next step is to add a description for the form, what the form is all about, the name of the form, notes, the assignment status, submit, and then you can now select the kind of function you want the form to bear. And then once you're done, click on show this message and all of that. And then once you're done, save it, and then just like that, your form will be created on Airtable. Such that when you share this to people, it will be shared as a form that people are meant to fill. All right. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can create forms. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.